showing up.
Solo vole. Tau whawhita I kotoa peke langa. Tau tawai ni. Whakahako e tau amaraki. Tau whiwhia a hoi. Solo vole. Ko Maria Kolotita. Ko tukoa te anu i o te koa. Koe hao pūle ki ai. Hauke, matanga ni mui. Ngā romu.
Sanamani. Ke munuia na wa no fale. Ko na to ko be ka ko na a mai ha ko ni ha na ke fia. Ko ko ke fa fa mi ko ni. Ko ma ko le ki a ro ta ya ni ma ko le o fa ya ke a ko ni. Ko fa ma ta ma ko le ko be yo se shu Cristo ko ma wa ki.
He will live out the years of his life in peace. A good wife is the best of portions, reserved for those who fear the Lord. Rich or poor, their hearts will be glad, their faces cheerful, whatever the season. A modest wife is a boon twice over. A chaste character cannot be overvalued. Like the sun rising over the mountains of the Lord, such is the beauty of a good wife in a well-run house.
o se vai tonu. Ko ia ke mo whai o tau mo tau whili ai o tua. Ai a o tapu mo whina. Mo ai a whatu o kulanga i a whai mesi o ia ngā ofa. Whaka kia ki mui. Mo ia ngā ka tapu. Mo ia ngā mo mo. Ia tai ha taha o ne kovi. Ia taha. Ia mea ki mo whikata ki aki. Mo whewhakamore mo ne aki. Io, o ha mea whoki ni whakamore more ki mo tolu e he ki. Ki pehe mo ki mo tolu. Ka mo ko whitua aki, a ngā mea ko ia te toa ai ko wha. Ka tuku e whakamerino a Kristo o, ki whakamahu i o mo loto. Ai a whoki, ki whakaului ki mo tolu ke lava, i o mo sino taha, kai o maa ki mo koko, o kau whai whakawhitai. Mā ko aki no fo ia ki mo tolu ki whofola a Kristo o. O tuu ia whanga poto kotoa pē. O mou whiwhai aki ho mou ako ni kina. Mo i waloki aki ai ngā i sāmi, mo ngā i himi, mo ngā i hiwa whakalau mārie. O whai whakakoeresi pē, mo mou hiwa i o mou loto ki e. Ka neongo pē koe ha mea te mou whai, ha rea, ha ngā ue, mo whai kotoa pē i huawha o eki ko se esu. Mo mo whawhetai ia te ia ki hokua o tamai. Ai kau whiwhine, mo wanga nofo ko mo ngahi o tāni ki. Aia, nai tāo lewa ke mo whai te koe kakai loto. Ai kau tangata, mo ofa i o mo ngahi waifi, o oua kona ho mo loto ke te kinau tolu. Mo whawhalatori ia e ki. And he joined to his wife, and the two
Please be seated. And my dear friends, you know, today is a very important day, and we can tell that because you all dress up nicely, and you come here, leave your normal task at home, and come here to celebrate and to support the new couple. And that is because we all believe that marriage is a very important institution. That when a man and a woman fall in love and decide to get married, we all believe that they should be faithful to each other. Without bringing Christ into the picture, we all believe that is a good thing. That a woman and a man who fall in love, they should form a family where they can love each other, have the opportunity to devote themselves to each other, and bring up children. Now, if we bring God into the picture, then what I read to you, that will be the kind of spirit that will dictate the life of a marriage. Which the question came with the Pharisees to test Jesus. They came, what about if a man and a woman feel that they have lost their vocation and they want to separate? And Jesus said, what did Moses say? So they answered, he decreed that a written document should be produced and then allow them to be separated. But Jesus said, but that's not God's way. God's way is, when you get married, you make an effort to live together for the rest of your life. It's not a game. It's a vocation. It's a call from God for people to live together in marriage for the rest of their life. And that means, if you haven't known your partner well, and you find out later, too bad for you. You should have found out something about your partner when you are in the courtship time. That's why we ask young people, don't hurry up and don't hastily get into marriage. You know, get to know your friend, know the characteristics of your friend, the weaknesses and the strength. See if you can accept this kind of behavior for the rest of your life. And you know, you won't hastily get into marriage if you know your partner is not that kind of person. But there will be a person, you suddenly meet someone that will love you and you will love her or love him. And so I believe that's what happened to this couple. They had known each other for some time, and now after some years they have decided now to join together and ask God to bless them and live together as husband and wife for the rest of their lives. And so that's why we get together to pray that God from now on will lead them along the way every day of their life. And may they remember that. Be true to each other. And part of the promise they will make, I will love you every day of my life. Whether you are sick or healthy, I will still love you. When things are tough or easy, I will still love you. And even when things are really going down and down and down, I will still love you. Now, that is the promise they made, and I hope they will do that. So, as Jesus said, That's what marriage is all about. If I don't have nang matatang. Ki Maria pe, ki hok mai be hati fai mana. Tam sa ko tang yai o sa sulai mat. Na be ke tang yai. Na ta o mari ha ai ma me. Io. Mai pe ke ta o bua be no bui ma. Ko e wagi na ke ko re ke ta ko. Ke ko e wa o mari ko ta ta ke mari mo na me na ke fili. So este ko le ya ko le ange mo to de ke ho ke lai ni ko ya si o fa le ki fa le no mo ange la plenty of fish in the sea plenty of fish in the sea si o fa le hai tamata hai fine ke mari mo ka ko fili no mari remember it is for life. It is for life. It's not just for some time when you find another one, accept the present one and get another one. No. It's for life. That is what, and God will bless you during your life if you do that. And you will find marriage a very happy life. I think we all grew up in families. Some of us were fortunate that we were in families that were happy. But some, because we are still human, some grew up and unfortunately in homes that were not so happy. Many difficulties, many problems, and of course the problems of parents do not just remain with them, but they are passed on to the children. And children, to further more problems, they spread the problem to others as well. So that's why we are asked to get married properly, choose someone that you really love the rest of your life, someone who respects you, and stay together, form a good family where you have joy, peace, and love. When you have that, and not only that you are happy, but the offspring that you bring up will also be happy. And so the goodness will pass on from one generation to the next. And so that will be our request always. There's another thing, for us. Remember the way God has made us. God has made us in two main components in our life. He made us not just body, but body and spirit. That's why we are different from animals and birds and things, because we are made by God, body and spirit. And now, if we want to be healthy, if we want to be wholesome, we will feed the body and we will feed the spirit. What is the food for body? The food for body would be bread, ice cream, and all the other things. That's what our body will eat. What about the spirit? Well, the spirit will eat tapioca, it will eat yam. The spirit will eat something completely different. The spirit will be eating happiness from God, will be eating peace, love, all these things, just what the spirit, but the main source for the spirit is God. And I know some young people, when they are young, they think, I want to be free, and I want myself to be happy. And happiness means go ever, do whatever I like, And then maybe when I get older, I come back to God. Of course, that's a very poor philosophy. Once you when you get used to going away from God, you will find it difficult to come back to God. But anyway, our spirit that is made by God, our spirit will not rest it will be telling you and me all the time, please, I need God. Go back to God. Do some praying. And then if you do that, then you feel much happier. And that's why I want to remind you this day, please make your life happy. Don't just look for things that will please your body. Make things also that will make your spirit happy too. And when you do that, you feel much happier. So, when I am mana tui, ko o tua mafi, ko i le firma o e ia ko mo o pe. Ke le firma o la ke to le le ha, ko o tua mafi o kakato pe ia ia te. Ko me pe to ka mai o to ka ta do o fa mai. Me o to ka mai o tua, o mate o fa mai. Apa pe ta to o tua, ko i to ka mai o ia. E mamai no vira alo, ka mai vo ke loto ta wata ai. E pe me ia ko ko ta do, to pa ke loto ta wai, loto ta wata ai na mamai no tua, kai ke do loto a. Ko me fai ke mamai be fina ngalo tua, ka tua me ke fai ko loto. Ai ka ba ki a fa moi, ko wi ko ki he. Ko hai ko wi ko no we. So I want to put this before you. Especially some our young people here. Please don't allow yourself to be swept off your feet in the way the world is going. You know, our world, looking, the more money you get, the more happy you will be. You know, go and take drugs, it will give you some pleasure and some high. What's all these things? They won't satisfy you. What we need is God. Kapag kaya tuy mai dia ke be ko ta tu be ko tu be ko ta be ko ta mai mo fa e ya. But I'm telling you that please. And our spirit inside us will keep on reminding you, please go to God. Don't forget God. And so it is my request is we have this new couple. I hope that will be their priority in their life, you know, the little girl here for city, and I'm sure they'll have many more children, I hope. And they will pass on something solid, something good for them, so that they grow up in a kind of environment and atmosphere of our world today. They grow up and be confident they will live nicely. So then you see, so morning for Stephanie from Nuya Hamor, Api, for Akia, Akia Marbe, Ofa, and Baby No, we are very well to do, for Moa, Wadi, Ofa Mafan, said, Mandu Mambu, Ofa, Siempre ojo la cual ojo mosquilla. Ojo mosquilla, ojo que fai todo la comida. Cuando ojo que más pan. And I hope that will be your kind of really nice kind of love, relationship. You'll be happy and she will be happy and other children will come to you. And now I invite you, please, to come up here. kai uma ko be ha whana hoi. Pai mātu ngai hana whamāna na ri, se suki tō, ai anga o te whawhani. Kani tōtu mai ai whakata whaka ma kehi ke ki mōwa. Uhi ke mo mana wai hana fuesia, o ngā kawenga mo maka o na o mai. Ke te whoki ma tau ma o ioni, ke te fuaka ma atu o teo te mwhai. Tuonga o mo patkaiso, ai ne mo moko ai, o whānau o whina e whotua. Kui ai ko korea te haini, can you join your hands together, please? E tatkako ha mai lewa, e ao e kokua mai hawhamani, ai anga o moroto tatkaha, ki e ngāsi me ana. E Salmone, o Stephanie, o mooni, o tawata ina ia o moroto, tai whamaro hiki mua e taha, ke mo mea mai o whai o mari o siasi. Pe o kumoroto mo ori koa ke mo noho wheo o whani o whe tauhune nei aki, e loto whe apasia aki, e aho ko toa whe, o ao ke ngata ala hono mo ui. Pe o kumoroto mo ori ke tuku mai ai whanau, e whatu wahe o tua ke le moa, ke whai paro kono hihi no i e lao a o tua i o siasi. Io, o tō mahino rere mai lewa, tāta moroto mo nia, ke whai a lea paro kono o mani e ao e o tua kai o maa o siasi. Kia koi ai, kore al leo ke mua ki taktaka wahama he kai mini o moroto taktaka. Leo mana peka kua solo. E si o bebe ho hoa, e tau mea kone kutuni mai bebe kia. Wow, Solomon.
Wow, Solomon.
O ko whapapau i a honi.
O ko whapapau i a honi.
O moni o hoku i a loto.
O moni ka hoku i a loto.
Ke mari mo koe Stephanie.
Ke mari mo koe Stephanie.
O ko toi whapapau i a whoki.
O ko toi whapapau i a whoki.
A hoku whatoki ia.
A hoku whatoki ia.
Ke utau lelei koe.
Ke tau lelei koe.
Mo whai koe.
Mo whai koe.
Ka tau ai pē.
Tau ai pē.
Ke whainga maari e te whainga tāma.
Ke whainga maari e te whainga tāma.
Pepe e mo lelei te mahama.
Pepe e mo lelei te mahama.
Io.
Io.
Ke o whai mo whakapapa i ai pē koe.
Ke o whai mo whakapapa i ai pē koe.
O au.
O au.
Ke ana tōku whakamawai ki taua e he mate.
Ke ana tōku whakamawai ki taua e mate.
And now it's your turn, Stephanie. Wow, Stephanie.
Wow, Stephanie.
O ko whakapapau i a honi.
Wow, whakapau i a honi.
Oi mo ori. O hoku ato.
Koe mooni mo ko.
Ke umari mo koe Solomon.
Ke mani mo koe Solomon.
O ko toi whakapapau i a whoki.
Koe toi whakapau i a whaki.
A hoku whatungia.
A hoku whakonia.
Ke tau lelei koe.
Ke tau nei koe.
Mo o whai koe.
Mo whai koe.
Ka tau ai pē.
Tau ai pē.
Ke whainga maarie.
Ke whainga maania.
Ke whainga tāma.
Ke whainga tamaki.
Pepe e mo lelei.
Pepe mo inelei.
Te mahamaha.
Te mamahaki.
Io.
Io.
Ke o whai.
Te o whai.
Whaapapa i ai pē koe.
Whakapai a te koe.
O au.
O au.
Ke hana toku whamawai.
Ke hana toku mahi'i.
Whamawai.
Whamawai.
Ki taua e mate.
Ki taua e he mati.
It's very nice. It's very nice. Io. So kai a whina e tua. O mea koe o te whakahoko o tua. Ke oa na me te kia e tangata. It's now, thank you. Let us now bless the reading. And whaki āki he amai eiti koe no e kaunangani. Aia kona whamori a honi, e nā mo'uri whio ko whani, i e nā whipokawa o toko whai. Tātua kai mua e mama koe, o whai ro maia, e nā paro mesi o tō kāwa o whai a honi, e whaka o whamoa i tāna, nā rima honi, Stephanie ke kare koe mama koe nāngi a Solomone, ko whaamohonia, o mohofa, ia mohomo kuakawa. I hua whai tamai, o alo, o nā maare mama rohoni. Amen. And we do the same, please. Solomone, ke tārea whai mama koe nā, koe whaamohonia, ki o mohofa, ia mohomo kuakawa. I hua whai peo e tamai, o alo, o nā maare mama rohoni. Amen. Solomone o Stephanie, o mohokore o taimini, o huspanditi, mo e wife. Please stand down.
E ke tari mai mai mau kore
Ke ma ko fikina ina to ma na tua ina to ke pada ke. Ina to ko be ina ma ko ese ke ma fai ko fikina ma ko fikina ina to ke ko ko ni. Kata ai ma ko tai ko ma lo ke fai ta ko Maria fai ko alo. Ai ka apostolo nu ya ko to. Ai ka ma Maria ni ko to ke. Ai ni na ko ho to ai a fi ona ni na ni. Patawangi mau kau mau tolu kau ngah pakai pikir koi kau mentuk kolori atau afio tu mai ke o aro o Yesus Kristo. Oi o Yesus Kristo pada mana afio berdoa bagi dia o bagi dia ke tua tua ke tamai mafi mafi pada mana mari mau ni. Ai lagi lagi gloria salam turi, o dai mata pia, dai mata. Vamos a ir a la reunión. Maybe we can say this prayer in English. Let's now pray together, God our Father, in the prayer that Jesus taught us. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Family for all, katawan ng afio mawasig mua, ako daw ay humuo. Pero tua ho mafi nengawi aka ne ako pe ne akawa. Tapi helo foto e fu invest oi, pero sa tu ko tanga ma pe file yo o imisi. Na ke to fina o fa pe fo ke ho pa pe file ko to kon tu ma o tanga. Ai o tu ngai ai kai na pe yua. Ana whakata i kakano pe taha. Kia koe mahino le lai, koe mahino le li mai ni ai, a honu tai malama, ke kakata taha maanai, ai mea o i whakahoko o taha. E o tua na whakatapui a toko mai, a ka kai Kristiani. Kia pohoko i o ka tuha mooni o whio whai a Kristo, kia mohono siasi. Hoi ai o tō math. Nang sa si hau tāke tangata mo se fide ko luhi ke whai tāpui ki nāia ka kai o māmani. Ia nai kai whoki ke mōre tā kua ki ko ia he nunua o tōkua mahala te koe lo maki. Hangai ko whamai ko mua ki o kaunanga koeni, Stefanie o managi, ke hoko atu e mo oi i noko mani. Whakai iwi atu ho tā kua ki e. Kia mua whatawanga peke i loa ai pia te ia ai o wha. Kai o maa whokai mo oi veri no. Ko hige na lawa o hige a mama ke kau ke whine maa o nori koe o whai homa ko a wii ki kia he tōi taku. O ka ke whanaa ai peke a te ia hono mani. Kia ke ne wha apa pai o wha. Kakene toka manatu ai pe utuha ai kuunga na iai e anga ina nofo i lalo ni pai mana na whakaamu koe ni ui o taingata. Io, te ame mai i hangia e na ofa koe mea koe na whai e sesu ma hono siasi. Koe ngahi kuunga e eiki o kuunga e mautani mamahi na tu. Tawangi te tu maa o ema meani i he tui mo ni, kai maa hoki ai whakao o ngahi whikao. Io, ofa ke na tau maa mioni, he na whekua kawaki kua whai he aha koe ni. He na whakamoni a Kristo he aha o ka kai kuri pe, ke na mui mui pao ke ngahi mea o tu i hona o ngongongalele. He mon muia o api, kuunga na amo whanwhanau. Te whatawangi ke wangi ke dina toro watai ke aone rei. Tawangi ke mo mo i furo e mamani, ke mo mata ai whanau a mo whanau, te o kahiria, te mo whakatoa o sia lewa e mo muia o tae ngata i langi te mo e otua. Pai a te kore kutoa te, me tātua ke otua, o whanga i Jesu Christo, o mau eiti. Amen. pe lava bege ki ai ka kau tokoni ki no e nga ke ki whakama angia e kau ki whakavele koni ko ki toko wa vele toko tolu ki no i o tokoni mai pe fai be hene ki whatumia loto hena nai fitu ko ra ka no ke pai ta ki tokoni bege ki ta ta Otherwise, thank you so much for everything you've done, the preparation you made, the support that you have given to the new couple, and everything you've done. Thank you for all those things, making our day possible. So now, can you stand up and let us put an end to our service this afternoon?
Come, baby. Come.
Yeah.